Stand up and walk by.
Are you doing it or what?
He doesn't want to do it.
Alright, so then, if you don't jump, you gotta walk all the way back, down the stairs again, down those steps.
Nina, just scoot by him.
Go, Nina. You can do it, Nina.
Hold the branch behind you. Hey, Leo, there's a branch right behind you. That big branch. Grab onto that. Grab the branch and stand up and move out of the way so she can get by. The big branch. There you go. And stand up. There you go.
Let's see Nina do it. Come on, Nina. On your side or something.
So get over the trampoline.
Just fall. Just let yourself fall. Don't try to hit hard. Just fall and let the trampoline jump you back up. All right, Nina, fall. Don't try to hold on to the trampoline.
Over the middle of the trampoline, anyways.